stood where willows touched the tide, with lanterns lit on either side. The crossing called when dusk grew cold, a place for stories to unfold. I find the stones now worn and bare, no voices left, just evening air. The bridge is gone, the path unclear, but still I feel you linger here. We are the echoes on the stream, the fading light of someone's dream. Though time may wash the trail away, the crossing sings, we've not decayed. Whispered names into the mist, each one a soul the river kissed. Their memories in water lie beneath the ever-changing sky. I reach through reeds and shifting ground, your voice is there, a haunting sound. Though years have passed and names are worn, the crossing waits where we were born. Beneath the moon, the waters breathe, they guard the truth we once believed. The